Hello everyone. The video is presented by S. Aroepsiba BTech IT. In this video, we are going to discuss about the topic artificial intelligence. We are going to see now introduction. First one, what is artificial intelligence? Second one, introduction to artificial intelligence level. Third one, types of artificial intelligence. Fourth one, artificial intelligence versus machine learning versus deep learning. Fifth one, where is artificial intelligence used? Sixth one, artificial intelligence use cases. Seventh one, why is artificial intelligence booming now? Eighth one, artificial intelligence trend in 2023. First one, artificial intelligence. Transforming the nature of work learning and learning to work. Artificial intelligence is a popular branch of computer science that concurrents with building intelligent, smart machines capable of performing intelligent tasks. With rapid advancement in deep learning and machine learning, the tech industry is transforming radically. Three levels of artificial intelligence. First one, artificial narrow intelligence. Second one, artificial general intelligence. Third one, artificial super intelligence. Next, three types of artificial intelligence. First one, deep learning. Second one, machine learning. Third one, artificial intelligence. First, artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the simulation of human intelligence processed by machine, especially computer systems specific application. Artificial intelligence include expert system, natural language processing, speech recognition and machine. Next, machine learning. Machine learning is a subfield of artificial intelligence, which is broadly defined as the capability of a machine to imitate intelligence human behavior. Artificial intelligence systems are used to perform complex tasks in way that is similar to how humans solve problems. Next one, deep learning. Deep learning is a subfield of machine learning that is concurrent with algorithms inspired by the brain structure. Function known as artificial neural networks. A computer model can be taught using deep learning to run classification actions using picture, text, or sound as input. Next one, artificial intelligence versus machine learning versus deep learning. Artificial intelligence originated around 950. Machine learning originated around 960. Deep learning originated around 970. Artificial intelligence represents simulate intelligence in machine. Machine learning is the practice of getting machine to make decision without being programmed. Deep learning is the process of using artificial neural networks to solve complex problems. Artificial intelligence is a subset of data science. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence and data science. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning and artificial intelligence and data science. Next one, where is artificial intelligence used? Customer experience, supply chain, human resources, fraud reduction, knowledge creation, research development, predictive analytics, real-time operation management, customer service, risk management analytics, customer insight, pricing and promotion. Artificial intelligence use cases in healthcare. Artificial intelligence in healthcare can enhance preventive care and quality of life, produce more accurate diagnosis and treatment plans, and lead to better patient outcomes overall. Next one, artificial intelligence use cases in human resources. Artificial intelligence can also help overcome subjectively by gathering data from previous employees in similar roles and preparing targeted questions for hiring manager. Next one, artificial intelligence in supply chain. Artificial intelligence in the supply chain allows your business to gather relevant past and current data from multiple connected devices. This including implementing the SRM software, CRM and ERP systems and business intelligence solution to exciting data. Next one, application of AI, artificial intelligence. Possible of application for artificial intelligence. First one, robotics and soft robotics. Next, Internet of Things, image analytics, graph analytics, audio analytics, visualization, visual personal assistant. Next, natural language processing, deep learning, simulation modeling, machine learning, social network analytics, machine learning. Next one, sample text. Next, Artificial intelligence chatbox in healthcare. Artificial intelligence healthcare is an umbrella term to describe the application of machine learning, algorithm, and other cognitive technologies in medical settings. In the simplest sense, artificial intelligence is a when computers and other machines mimic human cognition and are capable of learning, thinking, and making decisions or talking actions. Next one, why is artificial intelligence booming now? Booming now in this artificial intelligence testing tutorial, let's learn why is artificial intelligence booming. It is easier to store a large amount of data in data center than earlier times. Moreover, the internet revolution makes data collection and distribution available to feed machine learning algorithms. Next one, artificial intelligence trend in 2023. The artificial intelligence market has been on a shift growth path for several years, so much so that the industry is expected to reach 42.4 billion in the 2023. The momentum will continue and we are starting to realize it with the debate the powerful of new artificial intelligence power tools and service across industries. Thank you.